I am Rohini Pathak, Maths faculty. From exercise 3.2 we have completed 5 questions. Now come to 6th question. 6th question very easy. There is no graph, only 1-2 steps. In 1-2 steps we can solve. Listen question. Given linear equation, one equation we have given, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. And we have to write another linear equations such that whose graphical representation either intersecting or parallel or coincident. For these 3 conditions we have to write linear equations. Okay. First come to for intersecting lines. What is the condition for intersecting lines? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. This is for intersecting lines. Now come to the given equation. Given here 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Here this is A1, A1, B1 and C1. Okay? We have to take one more equation such that A1 by A2 means suppose here 2. If I double this 4x, then A1 by A2, this ratio will be 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Is it? Don't take here double. That is the main point. Means don't take here 3 is double 6. Any number other than 6. Means if you take here 4, means if you double here, don't make double of y coordinates, means don't make double of b1. Remember this, any value you can take as b2 other than 6. Means suppose here I take same 3y, 5y, any number. You write this minus 8 as it is. You can change any number in this constant. You can take 7, 8, 9, any number, 1, 2, 3, 0 also. And now check here ratio. See here A1 upon A2, 2 upon 4. This is B1 upon B2, 3 upon 5. Are they same? Here answer is 1 by 2, here answer is 3 by 5. Therefore, they are not same. Means this equation of this equation is for intersecting line. This answer is not unique. It varies from student to student. Remember this. Maybe some students like here same 2x and maybe interchange here 5y. Here some students write here 5x, here 3y. Any numbers you can take. Only one condition that A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. For this condition such satisfying condition you can take number of A and B. Okay. Now come to parallel lines. Tell me parallel lines condition. What is that parallel lines condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to or not is equal to? Not is equal to. Parallel or not है? Not is equal to C1 by C2. Remember this. Equal to कधी नंतर आहे coincident lines ला. ठीक आहे? Now फक्त C1 by C2 not same व्हायला पाहिजे. Our given equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is our given equation. Now write one more equation such that these two same, A1 by A2 same as B1 by B2. Means if you make here double, here make double. Okay, but don't make double of this 8. Remember here. You can take triple also. 2 3s are 6 means you can write here 6. Here 3 3s are 9. But don't make triple of 8. इथं तुम्ही तो रेशो घ्या डबल फक्त इथं तो घेऊ नका. म्हणजे C1 by C2 not same व्हायला पाहिजे. Means you can write 8 as it is or any number suppose here 7 is equal to 0. Now check whether this condition satisfied or not. A1 by A2, 2 by 4, answer we have 1 by 2. B1 by B2, 3 by 6, answer we have 1 by 2. And C1 by C2, minus 8 by 7, means minus minus cut 8 by 7. Here 1 by 2 means A1 by A2, same as B1 by B2, again 1 by 2, and which is not same as 8 by 7, म्हणजे not C1 by C2. पॅरलल लाईन्सला काय होईल, फक्त C1 by C2 चा रेशो चेंज करा. चेंज म्हणजे हे डबल केला A1 B1 तर तो डबल करू नका, सेम ठेवा, एनी नंबर रिप्लेस करा. नाउ थर्ड कंडिशन, कोइन्सिडेंट लाइन्स. कोइन्सिडेंट लाइन्सला काय कंडिशन आहे, we need A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Means if you make double of A1, make double of B1 B2 and double of C1 C2. Means if you take double, given equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. X and y चे coefficient if you take doubles, then take x double. If you take triple, make here triple and so on. I make here double, here 4x, here 6y and here minus 16 is equal to 0. Check whether condition is satisfied or not. See here A1 by A2, answer is 1 by 2. B1 by B2, answer is 1 by 2. And C1 by C2, answer is again 1 by 2, minus minus cut. Means these three ratios are same, and if these three ratios same, lines coincident each other. Coincident means same lines. This is for third. For this whole question, final answers are not unique. Remember this. This is open-ended question. Answers may be different. Answer varies from person to person. You have to remember only these conditions. Okay? In question 7, draw the graph of equations. Means two equations we have given. We have to plot the graph of these two equations. And one more sub question, determine the coordinates of vertices of triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and shade the triangular region. That is question. First we think about only graphs, and for graphs first we prepare chart. See first equation, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. You can write this equation as it is, or just I told that you can rearrange this. How to rearrange? Here x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Rearrange means either you transfer y in terms of x or x in terms of y. मी काय करते y ट्रान्सफर करते. x plus 1 is equal to y. Means you have to select values of x. Then y is equal to x plus 1. Y is equal to x plus 1 and then coordinates x comma y. Okay. You can take any values of x, 1 2 3 0 1 2 3, negative values also. I take 0 1 2 3 or only 1 2 3. Put here x is equal to 1. In this equation put here x is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, means y will be 2. Means here फक्त x मध्ये 1 ऍड करा. कॅल्क्युलेशन ची पण इथे गरज नाही, ओरली लक्षात येते का बघा. Here y is equal to x plus 1, means add 1 only in the values of x. Here 2 मध्ये 1 add 3. 3 plus 1 4, means our coordinates are 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 4. Sorry, इथे बघा 2 comma 3. ठीक है? This is our first graph. Now for second table, second chart. First chart very easy. Come to second equation. First I write this equation here, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Here we can't reduce this equation. All numbers are not divisible by 2, divisible by 3 as it is. Regularly convert y in terms of x. How to convert y in terms of x? Here 2y. Transfer 12 there, it becomes plus. Transfer 3x there, minus 3x. And then transfer y. Y is equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. Means we have equation y is equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. That graph we have to plot. Select points of x. If equation in y in terms of x, then select x. If equation x in terms of y, then you have to select the values of y. Remember this point. X, here y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2 and x comma y. Okay. Suppose I substitute x is equal to 1. Listen only, don't substitute here. If I substitute x is equal to 1, put here 1. In this equation, put x is equal to 1. See here 1. Now we have 3 ones are 3. 12 minus 3, 9. Means there is answer 9 by 2 means in fraction. Don't take fraction answers, integers. Means here put x is equal to maybe 0, 2, 4 like that. You can substitute 0 also. If I put here 2 suppose. Here put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2. 12 minus 3 2s are 6 upon 2. And you know that 12 minus 6, 6. 6 upon 2. We have answer 3. Means if you put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Then take odd even numbers. Why even? Because from 12 if you subtract, then answer should be integer. Now take here 4. Means put x is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. And 0 divided by anything is 0. Means if you put x is equal to 4, here we have 0. Now next value. Suppose I substitute x is equal to, suppose here next even value 6. The answer will be negative. Therefore, I put here x is equal to 0. Negative numbers घ्यायला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. You can take negative numbers also, negative coordinates. But I am substituting x is equal to 0. Here 0. 12 minus 3 into 0, 0. 12 minus 0, 12. And 12 upon 2, 6. Here 6. आता नेक्स्ट व्हॅल्यू जर निगेटिव्ह कसं येईल तेवढं फक्त एक्सप्लेन करते. ग्राफ मध्ये मी पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स आहेत म्हणून ते 0 घेतलेले आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या. हियर इफ आय टेक x इज इक्वल टू 6, कॅल्क्युलेशन फक्त तुम्हाला दाखवते. हियर 6, 3 6 जा -18 होईल. 12 minus 18 minus 6 and 6 divided by 2 you have -3. Means you have to plot -3 on y-axis. ठीक है. Therefore I selected value instead of 6, I selected here 0. Therefore 12 minus 2 here 6 we have answer. Means we have to plot the points 2, 3, 4, 0 and 0, 6. Now we plot these points and these points on our graph paper. Okay, let us plot these points and we have to draw lines. Now first graph 1, 2. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 our x-axis. 1 2 3 4 5 6 our y-axis. Okay. Now 1, 2. Here 1, here 0, 2 means here is our first point 1, 2. Then 2 3, 2 3. This is our second point. 3 4. Here 3 4. Third point. means first point 1 comma 2, second 2 comma 3, third 3 comma 4. First draw the line passing through these 3 points. See here, this line which is passing through given 3 points, and equation of this line is this one, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of first line. You can write this equation as y is equal to also. Now come to second line. Second line points are 2 comma 3. Where is 2 comma 3? Already plotted here, this point. 4 0, 4 on x axis, 0 y axis, and then 0 6. 0 6 means on y axis, no? 0 on y and 6 on y axis. Therefore this is point 0 6, 2 3 already we have, and this is 4 0. Now we draw the line passing through these 3 points. This line is of equation, which equation? Y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 4, or you can write our regular equation. Now these 2 points, these 2 lines, this is red one line, blue another line. Question is, here determine the coordinates of vertices of triangle formed by these lines and x-axis. See here, this red line intersected x-axis at 4 0, means we have to extend this blue line towards negative x-axis. Okay, now we extend this line towards negative x-axis. See here, our negative x-axis. Here this point is minus 1. Coordinates of this point, here coordinates will be minus 1 comma 0. म्हणजे blue line extend करावी लागली. Why? Because in question triangular region required, and for this triangular region I extended this line, first line, and we have to shade the triangular region. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हे कोऑर्डिनेट्स मेंशन करा असा क्वेश्चन आहे. हे कोऑर्डिनेट्स इथे आहे बघा 2,3 या ट्रायंगलचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स, इथं 4,0 आणि हा -1,0 ट्रायंगलच्या व्हर्टायसेसचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स. अँड वन मोर क्वेश्चन, शेड द ट्रायंगुलर रिजन. दॅट इज वन मोर क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी हैव टू शेड दिस ट्रायंगुलर रिजन. यू कैन शेड बाय एनी mark. This is our triangular region which is required. Okay, now we see substitution method. For this chapter first we studied graphical method. Now come to our second method, substitution method. For this method, from exercise 3.3, this is first question. I give solution for first question. For substitution method, observe any one equation in which coordinate of any one variable should be 1. बघा, कुठलेही एक इक्वेशन सिलेक्ट करायचं की ज्याच्यामध्ये कोएफिशिएंट 1 पाहिजे. आता या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये सगळेच कोएफिशिएंट्स 1 आहेत. हियर 1 1 1 1, नो प्रॉब्लेम. Therefore here you can select any one, means you can select either first one or second one. Any one select. Here I select second, you can select first also. From this second solution we are studying. From second, see from second, here x minus y transfer करा, RHS असला आणि 4 इकडे. x minus 4 is equal to y. Means here we have y in terms of x. Give here number 3. Here we selected second, and after solving we have one relation y is equal to x minus 4. Now this third equation, now substitute in 1. Don't substitute in 2 because second we already selected. Now put this value of 3 in 1. Now putting y is equal to x minus 4 in equation 1. 1 मध्ये substitute करूया. Where is y here? See here first equation x plus. Instead of this y, put here x minus 4 which is equal to 14 and solve this. X plus x we have 2x. Transfer this 4 there. 14 plus 4 negative है ना, therefore it becomes positive. 2x we have 14 plus 4 18 and now transfer to there we have x is equal to 18 upon 2 means x is equal to 9 means we have one variable's answer got here. Now this answer you can substitute in any one equation either first or second or third. I put in third, putting x is equal to 9 in 3. We have to find y, no? Put 9 in 3. Third equation x minus y is equal to 4 at third equation. Therefore put here x is equal to 9. Means 9 minus 4 is equal to y. 9 minus 4, 5. Therefore we have y is equal to 5. X is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. This is our solution. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. This is solution by substitution method. Substitution method ने काय करायचं सांगितलं मी? Select one equation in which coefficient of any one variable should be 1. Here in this question, no problem, you can select any one. I selected here second. From second, after transferring y, we have y is equal to x minus 4 means y in terms of x, y is equal to x minus 4. आता second select केला असेल तर कशात substitute करायचं? First मध्ये substitute करा. Put this in first and do this calculation, our regular calculation. You can find one variable x and one variable calculate केलं की now put that variable in any equation first, second, third and find remaining variable. Okay, this is our substitution method. Here we are studying substitution method from 3.3. First question substitution method. From first question, first sub question just we completed. Now come to second sub question. Observe here second sub question. Here s minus 2. Here coefficient 1. Here also coefficient 1. Means you can select this first equation. Where there is coefficient 1, select that equation for substitution method. Okay. Therefore I select here first. From first equation we have s is equal to, transfer t there, 3 plus t, give this as number 3. S in terms of t now we have, s is equal to 3 plus t. Now, आता हे first select केलं ना, therefore don't take now first, substitute this value in second. Now put s is equal to 3 plus t in which equation? First select केलं म्हणजे second. In equation 2 we get. What we get? In second equation, see where is second equation? Here. Put here s is equal to 3 plus t. 3 plus t upon 3 plus. Here t as it is, t upon 2 which is equal to 6. Now, here 3 cut करा ना, don't cut 3 that will be wrong, remember this. Now first cancel these denominators. How to cancel these denominators? If same denominators 3 suppose, you can multiply by 3 throughout. But here different denominators. If different denominators, then how can cancel? Here first find LCM of these two denominators. म्हणजे 3 आणि 2 चा LCM कॅल्क्युलेट करा and then multiply by LCM. Denominators will cancel. Otherwise no cross base multiplication. But remember LCM method. First calculate LCM method. LCM, how to calculate LCM of 3 and 2? 3 आणि 2 च्या टेबल मधला कॉमन नंबर बघा. 3 2 जा 6, 2 3 जा 6. Therefore LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Therefore multiplying by LCM. Remember this, if different denominators are there, always multiply by their denominators LCM. Multiply by 6, 6 ने multiply करा. 3 plus t upon 3 ला 6 ने multiply. Here also multiply by 6 and here also multiply by 6. Reduce here. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2 3 जा. Now here we have 2 in bracket 3 plus t plus 3 into t 3t which is equal to 6 6 जा 36. Now multiply by these 2. Therefore 2 3 जा 6 plus 2 into 2 2t plus 3t we have 36. Now this 2t plus 3t we can add as 5t. Okay, and now transfer this 6 there. 36 minus 6. Therefore 5t is equal to 36 minus 6 30. And now cancel this 5 there. T is equal to 30 upon 5. Reduce here. Reduce here. 5 1 जा 5, 5 6 जा 30. Therefore we have value of t is equal to 6. Means one variable we have. Now substitute this one variable in any one equation, either first, second or third. Generally third मध्ये जर तुम्ही substitute केला तर ते easy होतं. Therefore put t is equal to 6 in 3. Substitute here in 3. S is equal to 3 plus t. No, put t as 6. Therefore we have x is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 as 9. Means our answer is s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. आलेलं आन्सर तुम्ही क्रॉस चेक करू शकता. हाऊ टू क्रॉस चेक? ते गिवन आन्सर जे आहे ते आन्सर इथं सबस्टिट्यूट करून बघा. हे दोन्ही इक्वेशन्स इफ सॅटिस्फाईड देन वी आर करेक्ट. बघा सबस्टिट्यूट करून हियर x s 9 आणि t 6. 9 minus 6 3 आहे. S means we are correct. Put here also. In both equations you have to put for verification, for tally. Means in exam we are correct or wrong. For checking put here. Here s is equal to, if you put 9 and t we have suppose here 6. See here 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. 3 plus 3 answer किती येते? 6. Means our answer is correct. S is equal to 9, t is equal to 6. First question मधला third sub question now. This is first equation and second equation. We have to solve by substitution method. But observe here. थोडंसं ऑब्झर्वेशन पण करायला शिका. बघा here observe here a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 3 upon 9 means 1 by 3. Here b1 upon b2. b1 upon b2 minus 1 by minus 3 means again 1 by 3. And same here c1 upon c2. 3 upon 9 that is again 1 upon 3. या कंडिशनला काय असतं लक्षात आहे? देयर आर इन्फायनाइटली मेनी सोल्युशन्स. मग सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड ने जर तुम्ही सॉल्व करायला गेलात तर काय प्रॉब्लेम होईल बघा. सपोज आय सिलेक्ट फर्स्ट फ्रॉम 1. From 1 we have 3x. Y transfer करा there. 3x minus 3 is equal to y. Put this value into. Put y is equal to 3x minus 3 in second equation. Therefore 9x minus 3. Y means 3x minus 3 which is equal to 9. Therefore 9x minus 3 3s are 9x minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 is equal to 9. आता हे minus 9x आणि minus 9x कट होते बघा. Therefore 9 is equal to 9 असं आन्सर मिळते. म्हणजे x is equal to y is equal to आन्सर इथं मिळत नाही. म्हणजे या क्वेश्चन साठी सी ऑब्झर्वेशन a1 upon a2 same as b1 upon b2 same as c1 upon c2 means this system consistent है, पण here there are infinitely many solutions. याचा आन्सर काय लिहा तुम्ही? infinitely many solutions means we can't find any one fixed or unique solution. Okay, this is the answer of third question. Now come to fourth question. See here, fourth question. Observe here fourth question. In fourth question, decimal numbers are there. Everywhere one decimal है ना? Here also one decimal. Therefore, first cancel this decimal. Only one decimal. Therefore, 1 0 means multiply first equation by 10 and multiply second equation also by 10 for cancelling the decimals. Means multiplying both equations. Multiplying both equations by 10 we get what we get 10 नी multiply करा आणि फक्त डेसिमल सगळे कॅन्सल करा. We get 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. That is third equation. You can write first also. Here 4x plus 5y is equal to 23, fourth equation. Now our substitution method. For substitution method we need coefficient of any one variable 1, but here there is no coefficient of any one variable 1. Then select any one now. Suppose here from 3. You have to select any one because no coefficient anywhere 1. From 2 we have 2x is equal to, transfer this 3y there, 13 minus 3y. Therefore x is equal to, transfer 2 there, 13 minus 3y upon 2. Give this as number 3. Means we have now x in terms of y. Put this value of x in which equation now? We selected third select केले, therefore you have to put in 4. Put x is equal to 13 minus 3y upon 2 in which equation? In equation 4. Put here instead of x right there. Therefore 4, what is x? X put here 13 minus 3y upon 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. Now reduce by 2 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now multiply by 2 to this bracket. 2 into 13, 26 minus 2 3s are 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. आता y कलेक्ट करा आणि नंबर्स एका साइडला कलेक्ट करा. Now we see solution here for this side. नंबर्स ट्रान्सफर करा एकीकडे. Therefore minus 6y plus 5y is equal to 23 minus 26. You can transfer y there also. Now minus 6 plus y, answer is minus 1y. Here 23 minus 26 minus 3. Therefore we have y is equal to 3. One variable we have. Now put this variable y in which equation? Putting y is equal to 3. Now you can substitute y in any one, but for easy calculation put this y in 3. Sorry, not 3, 3 4. Here number please correct. 3 4 5 na. Here please correct their 5. Put y is equal to 3 in 5. Generally आपण 3 लिहितो म्हणून तिथे 3 मेन्शन केलं तुम्ही. Put in 5. Therefore x is equal to 13 minus 3. Y is 3 upon 2. Do this calculation. 13 minus 3 3s are 9 upon 2. 13 minus 9. Tell me 4. 4 upon 2. Reduce here. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Therefore, we have x is equal to 2. Means we have answer, solution, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. x2 and y3 is this required solution of given equation.